Here's how to create neon light effect in Premiere Pro. So this is my text. I'm going to effect and searching here drop shadow and add the drop shadow effect to your text clip. And then after selecting the clip, go to effect controls here under drop shadow, give opacity value 100% and then click on shadow color. Now select your neon effect color, neon light effect color, and now we have to copy this drop shadow effect for 6 times. So after selecting drop shadow, press Ctrl C to copy and then press Ctrl V for 6 times. And then in first drop shadow here, softness give 10% and then scroll down. In second drop shadow, give softness 50% and in third drop shadow, give softness 100%. In fourth drop shadow, give softness 200%. In next drop shadow, give softness 400%. And in next drop shadow, give 1000%. And in last drop shadow effect, give softness 2000%. And after that, select the motion option and now you can change your text position. Just drag your text to change position, and here as you can see I've successfully created neon light effect.